Hi, Mama, and welcome back. As we begin this new week, we shift our attention from the breath to the body, to the physical home that holds you, rebuilding that sense of containment and trust from the inside out. So, when you're ready, take a moment to lay down onto your back. You might like to have a small cushion or folded blanket underneath your head, the legs bent and hip width apart. Let your hands rest wherever they feel grounding, perhaps down by your side or onto your belly. Then take a deep, easy breath in through the nose and a long, soft exhale through the mouth. Let yourself arrive here, now, in your body. Begin by bringing awareness to the contact with the ground. Feel the back of your body supported, the feet, the hips, the shoulders, the hand. Imagine the earth beneath you as a steady presence, holding you without effort. Now gently travel through your body with your awareness, beginning with your toes, feet, ankles, your knees, thighs, and hips, your lower back and belly, your chest, shoulders, arms, and hands, your neck, face, and the space between your eyebrows. As you move through these areas, let go of any expectation to fix or to improve. You're simply meeting yourself with curiosity and kindness. If some areas feel dull or distant, that's okay. Just acknowledge them for now and breathe. Now bring your attention to your pelvis, the ball that carries you, that carried your baby, and that now holds your center. You might like to place both hands onto your lower abdomen, drawing a triangle, with the heel of your hands resting comfortably on your hip bones, the tip of the fingers meeting over your pubic bone, the thumbs pointing towards each other just below your navel. Rest the elbows comfortably on the ground. Then slowly begin to rock your pelvis forward and backward, towards the tip of the triangle, towards the base of the triangle. Just a few millimeters of movement, rocking forward and backward. You can follow your inhale to allow the tailbone to tip slightly down, creating a tiny arch underneath the lower back. Then your exhale to tuck the tailbone under, softening the lower belly, gently imprinting the lower back into the ground. Move slowly as if listening from the inside. This is not an exercise to do, but a rhythm to remember. Your pelvis is your anchor. It's where movement begins and stability returns. If you wish, let the movement become a small circle, as if massaging the sacrum, your tailbone, onto the ground. This motion helps awaken blood flow, re-establish balance, and release subtle tensions from sitting, feeding, or carrying. Do it a few times in the opposite direction now. Still inhaling and exhaling in your own pace. Then slowly return back to stillness. Pause in the middle of your circle. Your hips and your pubic bone leveled. Your triangle now parallel to the ground. Bring both your arms down by your sides, feeling the tailbone heavy and grounded. Take a deep breath in. And at your next exhale, curl the tailbone under again and begin sequentially peeling the spine off the floor, lifting up your pelvis away from the ground, moving up to the top of your shoulders at most. Pause here for a moment as you breathe in. Then slowly exhale, returning the spine softly back to the ground, the tailbone down at last. We do it again, inhaling to prepare, and then exhaling to move sequentially from the pelvis, one bone at a time. Stay, and if you'd like, float both arms up and overhead as you take a breath in. Then with the arms still reaching away, slowly exhale, return the back down to the ground, the tailbone down. Then inhale, arms down by the sides. One more time, following the rhythm of your breath, exhaling to curl the spine away from the ground. Inhaling, if you wish, float the arms overhead or just stay. Exhaling again to wheel the spine all the way back down to the ground. And then in, arms down by your side. Pause again in stillness for a moment. Then bring your arms out and in line with the shoulders, the palms facing up. Rest the arms comfortably on the floor. Keep the knees bent and walk the feet out, making your position a little wider. Begin dropping the knees to the right, then allowing the pelvic bowl to follow, rolling to the right as well. Take a breath in, and as you breathe out, return the pelvis and the legs back to center. Repeat on the other side, beginning with the knees, allowing the pelvis to roll to the left. Then slowly return to the center. We do it again, beginning the movement from your knees, followed by the pelvis, going a little further this time as you twist through the lower back as far as you can keep the shoulders heavy on the ground. Then again, wheel the spine back to the center, exhaling, returning to stillness for a moment. On the other side, breathing in to prepare and out, go with your knees, your pelvis, your spine. Keep the shoulders heavy. Into pose. And then out to return, bringing everything back to center. We do it one last time on either sides. Begin knees with the right, followed by the pelvis, the spine. If you'd like now, turn the head in opposition. As you hold your twist, look over your left shoulder. Then at the next exhale again, wheel the spine back, the head back, the pelvis, the legs. One last time, over to the left as you bring the knees, the pelvis, the spine. Turn the hand to the right. Inhaling to stay. And then exhaling to come back to the center. Relax the arms wherever feels comfortable as you come back to stillness. Breathe now into the whole pelvic bowl, from pubic bone to tailbone, from hip to hip. Feel the breath expanding softly into this space and releasing. Each inhale, replenishing. Each exhale, grounding. Keep breathing in and out in your own time. Postnatal recovery begins with feeling safe in the body again. You don't rebuild strength by pushing, you rebuild it by listening. So take a moment to notice, how does your body feel now? Perhaps a little heavier or warmer, or simply more here. Take one last deep breath in through the nose and then out through the mouth. You may quietly repeat to yourself, this body is my home. I am grounded. I am held. I am whole. Pause for a few silent breaths. You can stay as you are for as long as you wish. Wishing you to carry this feeling with you into your day. I thank you, Mama, and see you tomorrow.